Hi and welcome to another short tutorial from me, Mike Thomas, the Excel trainer. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to format numbers correctly when they're part of a text entry. And to demonstrate it I'm going to use a simple loan calculator. So we have the monthly repayment in B3, the number of payments in B4 and the start date in B5. B7 contains a summary sentence that tells us that 36 payments of £1,000 will be taken from the account starting on the 1st of August 2013. Now I could have just typed that sentence directly into A7, but I haven't. I've actually used a formula to generate it. But without the formatting of the numbers and the dates, this is what that sentence will look like. 36 payments of 1,000 will be taken from your account starting on 41487. The way that sentence has been generated is with a formula that combines the contents of cells B3, 4 and 5 with static text. And you can see the formula in the formula bar. So I've taken the contents of B4, joined that to the words payments of, making sure there's a space before payments and a space after of, so that we get a space after 36 and a space before 1,000. Then join that to the contents of B3 and join that to the text string will be taken from your account starting on, and join that to the contents of B5. Now the 36 and the 1,000 in that sentence are fairly obvious. Obviously the 1,000 hasn't got formatting, but we'll cover that shortly. But the 41487 and the 1st of August 2013, how are they worked out? Well, that's done through the way that dates work in Excel. Every day starting from the 1st of January 1900 is given a unique number called a serial number. So 41487 is the serial number that relates to the 1st of August 2013. It's actually 41,487 days since the 1st of January 1900. So without any formatting, what Excel has done is it's taken the contents of B5. If I actually go up to B5 and remove the formatting by putting it back to general, you can see that what's actually in that cell is 41487. It's only by formatting it as a date that it displays as the 1st of August 2013. So how do we get the formatting on the sentence? Well, let's go back to the first sheet and go on to here. And it's very, very similar, except I've used the text function. Now I'm not needed to use the text function for the 36, that's just come straight through. But because I want the 1,000 formatted as currency, I've used the text function. And the text function takes two arguments. The first argument is the cell that contains the number, so in this case B3. And the second argument is the format I want to use. And that has to go inside quote marks. So by putting in the £, with the zeros and the comma, that tells it to use the £, with no decimal places. I could replace that with a $, and you can now see that we've got dollars in there. For the date, again I've used the text function and I've told it to look at B5 and I've told it to use the format DD MMMM YYYY, which is day, full month and year. If I change that, get rid of one of the M's, so I have 3 M's, and I get rid of 2 of the Y's, so I have 2 Y's, that changes the format to 1st Aug 13. So there we go. That's how to format numbers correctly when they're part of a text entry using the text function. Thanks for watching, hope you found that useful, and if you'd like to learn more about Excel, please check out my free training at theexceltrainer.co.uk.